Everyone, my name is C.H. Devi. I am working as chemistry lecturer in Dr. Lankapalli Bulai College in Visakhapatnam. Today we will discuss nucleophilic addition reactions in carbonyl compound. You know that what is carbonyl compound? The functional group of carbonyl compound is R, C double bond O, R dash. Carbonyl compound is nothing but the combination of aldehydes and ketones. Now, aldehyde functional group is R, C double bond O, H, and ketone functional group is R, C double bond O, R dash, where R is hydrogen or any alkyl or aryl group. Let us see that the functional group of carbonyl group is R, C double bond O, R dash. Now these are in planar form. The polarization of this functional group: carbon having partially positive charge, oxygen having partially negative charge, because oxygen having more electronegativity atom when compared than carbon. Now the hybridization of this carbon is sp2 and the structure is planar structure. Now this functional group is treated with any nucleophile. That nucleophile is directly adding at partially positive charge carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen time to form oxonium ion. Listen, this functional group is in planar form. The nucleophile is adding at carbon. Immediately these three bonds turns to downside. That planar structure is turns to tetrahedral form. The compound is R, C, nucleophile, and R dash and O minus. Now the hybridization of carbon is sp3 hybridization and structure is tetrahedral. In our syllabus, number of nucleophilic addition reactions are there. Nucleophilic addition reaction. In first one, addition of hydrogen cyanide. The name of HCN is hydrogen cyanide. In general, hydrogen cyanide is acting as weak acid. Now the hydrogen cyanide is treated with any nucleophile like OH minus to form conjugated base like CN minus, and by the product is water molecule. The conjugated base is CN minus. This conjugated base is acting as strong base. Now this HCN is treated with any carbonyl compounds. Now carbonyl compound is treated with HCN to form cyanohydrin. The product is cyanohydrin. In equation form, you take acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with HCN. Now HCN gives cyanide nucleophile. Now the cyanide nucleophile is directly adding at partially positive charge carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. The product is CH3, C, O minus and Cn. The new bond is Cn bond and hydrogen. Oxonium ion is formed. This oxonium ion is treated with any electrophile like H plus. This oxonium ion is abstracting this H plus to form OH. CH3, C, OH and Cn and H. The product name is cyanohydrin. We will take the reactant is acetaldehyde. The product is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Now you take the ketone form. You take acetone. Acetone. Now acetone is treated with HCN. The HCN gives Cn minus nucleophile. The Cn minus nucleophile is directly adding a partially positive carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form oxonium ion. C, O minus and cyanide bond is new bond is formed, and also CH. Now this oxonium ion is treated with electrophile like H plus. This O minus is subtracting that H plus to convert OH to form cyanohydrin. That cyanohydrin name is depending on the reactant. The reactant is acetone. The name is acetone cyanohydrin. hydrogen. Okay. The second nucleophilic addition reaction is addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. What is this name? Sodium hydrogen sulfide. Another name of this compound is sodium bisulfite. Now, carbonyl compound is treated with sodium hydrogen sulfide to form carbonyl bisulfite. Now you take acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with sodium hydrogen sulfide. The mechanical formation of sodium hydrogen sulfide is Na plus O minus S double bond O OH. In this one, this SOOH sulfate ion is acting as nucleophile. That nucleophile is directly attacking at carbon. Immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form CH3 oxyanium ion. That means CH3CO minus and new bond is formed at carbon and oxygen. OS double bond OH. Now this oxyanium ion is partially bonding with sodium plus. In further step, hydrogen transformation is involving in. That means proton transformation. Now this oxyanium ion is abstracting this hydrogen. Immediately this bond shifted to oxygen side. Now you have this oxygen having negative charge. This negative charge is partially bonded with Na plus. That means O minus is unstable when compared then sulfate ions. The product is CH3COH and again H and OS double bond O minus and Na plus. Now the product name is depending on the reactant. Now your reactant is acetaldehyde. Now the product is acetaldehyde bisulfite. Now you take another functional group ketone. You take acetone. Now acetone is treated with sodium bisulfite. The product is acetone bisulfite. Another nucleophilic addition reaction is reaction with Grignard reagent. The reagent is RMGX. This is one of the organometallic halide formation. Now Grignard reagent gives R minus carbene ion. That carbene ion is acting as nucleophile. Now this Grignard reagent is treated with carbonyl compound to form primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. This alcohol is depending on the reactant. Now in first one you take formaldehyde. Now what is this name? Formaldehyde. Now this formaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent. That Grignard reagent gives R minus nucleophile. This R minus nucleophile is directly adding at partially positive charge carbon atom. Immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form oxyanium ion HCO minus and new CC bond is formed at C and R and again H. This oxyanium ion is treated with electrophile H plus to form HCOH and H. Now alcohol is formed. Now this alcohol is primary alcohol. And again acetaldehyde is treated with acetaldehyde. Now this acetaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent. Again Grignard reagent gives R minus nucleophile carbanium ion. Now this nucleophile is directly attacking it, adding it, partially positive charge carbon atom, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. You observe oxanium ion. Now this oxanium ion is treated with electrophile like H plus. Now this O minus is abstracting this H plus to form OH. The product is CH3COH and again R and H. Now this alcohol is secondary alcohols. And to prepare tertiary alcohol to treat it with acetone. The reactant is acetone. Now again acetone is treated with Grignard reagents RMGX. Now RMGX gives carbanium ion like R minus. Now carbanium ion is acting as nucleophile. This nucleophile is directly adding a partially positive charge carbon atom. Immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. Again you observe oxanium ion. Again this oxanium ion is treated with H plus nucleophile. Now O minus is abstracting this H plus to convert alcohol formation. This alcohol name is tertiary alcohols. In reaction with Grignard reagent to prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols to treat it with formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone. Another nucleophilic addition reaction, that one fourth nucleophilic addition reaction is reaction with alcohol. Reaction with alcohols. In carbonyl compounds is treated with alcohol in acidic medium to form acetal and ketol. Carbonyl compound is treated with alcohol in acidic medium to form acetal or ketol. In reaction formation, you take acetaldehyde. In acetaldehyde is treated with in acidic medium. Now oxygen having two lone pairs of electrons. One lone pair of electron is abstracting this H plus ions to convert OH formation. This oxygen having positive charge. Now this compound is treated with alcohols like ROH. In ionization formation of alcohols, OR minus and H plus. In this one, OR minus is acting as nucleophile. Now this nucleophile is directly adding a partially positive charge carbon atom. Immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. Then positive charge of oxygen is neutralized. The product is CH3COH and H and OR. New CO bond is observed. This name is hemiacetal. Hemiacetal. Again this compound is treated with another mole of alcohol. Again ionization formation of alcohol is OR minus and H plus. This OR minus is acting as nucleophile. Then this nucleophile is directly attacking a carbon by the elimination of water molecule to form acetal. CH3C and OR and again H OR. Now this name is acetal. In hemiacetal we observed one OH bond and one methoxy bond and alkoxy bond. In acetal we observe two alkoxy bonds. Now another functional group is ketone. That means you take acetone. Acetone is treated with alcohol in acidic medium. The product is these are ketone form. These are aldehyde. Now ketone is treated with alcohol in acidic medium to form hemiketal, that is CH3, COH, and new OC bond is formed, observed, and CH3. Now these are the hemiketal. Again this hemiketal is treated with another mole of alcohols. In ionization formation of alcohol is OR minus and H plus. This again OR minus is acting as nucleophile. That nucleophile is directly adding a carbon to form OC bond by the elimination of water molecule in OH and H plus formation. Now the product is ketal, CH3, CH and again CH3 and OR. Product name is ketal. In acetal, only one methyl group is observed. In ketal, two methyl group is observed. In acetal, two alkoxy groups, and ketal also having two alkoxy groups. Another nucleophilic addition reaction, that one fifth nucleophilic addition reaction is reaction with hydroxylamine. Reaction with hydroxylamine and H2OH. Now carbonyl compound is treated with hydroxylamine in acidic medium by the elimination of water molecule to form oxime formation. Now you take formaldehyde. Now formaldehyde is treated with hydroxylamine in acidic medium to the loss of water molecule. In hydroxylamine, hydrogen is lost and carbonyl compound, oxygen is lost by the formation of water molecule to form HC, again H. This carbon is double bonding with nitrogen and nitrogen is bonding with OH. Now this functional group is name is oxane. The reactant is formaldehyde. Now the product is formaldoxane. Now another reaction, you take acetaldehyde. Again acetaldehyde is treated with hydroxylamine in acidic medium by the elimination of water molecule to form oxane. Now again we observe this carbon is double bonding with nitrogen and nitrogen is bonding another bonding with OH. Now this functional group is oxane. The reactant is acetaldehyde. The product name is acetoxane. Another nucleophilic addition reaction is observed at Beckmann rearrangement. In Beckmann rearrangement, in reaction formation, you take acetophenone is treated with hydroxylamine in acidic medium to form acetophenone oxane. In Beckmann rearrangement, acetophenone oxane is acting as reactant. Now the structure of acetophenone oxane. Now these are the structure of acetophenone oxane. Now the acetophenone oxane is treated with PCl5 or SOCl5 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. We observed N-phenyl N-phenyl acetamide. N-phenyl acetamide. The mechanism of Beckmann rearrangement is the reactant is acetophenone-oxime. Now acetophenone-oxime is treated with concentrated H2SO4. That means in acidic medium, that acidic medium gives H plus ions. Now listen, oxygen having more electronegativity when compared than nitrogen. So the lone pair of oxygen, one lone pair of oxygen is abstracting this H plus to convert OH2. And oxygen having positive charge. Now this compound is involving in rearrangement by the loss of water molecule. Now listen, bulky group. When compared with methyl group, phenyl group is bulky group. Now this bulky group is shifted to carbon to nitrogen. That means rearrangement. Immediately OH2 is eliminated to form water molecule. The product is carbon. Now right side methyl group is brought in left side and carbon. This carbon is double bonded with nitrogen and phenyl group is bonding with nitrogen. And carbon having positive charge, we observe carbonium intermediate. Now this compound is treated with water molecule. Now oxygen having two lone pairs of electrons. One lone pair is indicating negative charge. Now carbon is bonding with oxygen to form CH3, C bonding with O, H and H, double bond N and C6H5. And oxygen having positive charge. Then this positive charge is nullified the shift of hydrogen in towards the oxygen. The product is CH3, C, OH and double bond N and C6H5. Now again this compound is involving in rearrangement. Alcohol functional group is turns to carbonyl functional group. Now this OH bond is shifted towards the carbon side. Immediately this double bond shifted to nitrogen side. Nitrogen having negative charge. CH3, C double bond O, again N minus and C6H5. Now this compound is treated with H plus. This nitrogen is abstracting this H plus to convert CH3, C double bond O, NH and C6H5. The product name is nitrogen having phenyl group is directly bonding with nitrogen. So N-phenyl. The functional group of this compound is amide functional group. So N-phenyl acetamide is observed in Beckmann rearrangement. In Beckmann rearrangement, the reactant is acetophenone-oxime. The reagents of Beckmann rearrangement is PCl5 and SOCl5 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. The product of Beckmann rearrangement is N-phenyl acetamide. Nucleophilic addition reaction is in 7th nucleophilic addition reaction in our syllabus. Reaction with phenyl hydrazine. The formula of phenyl hydrazine is NH2, NH and C6H5. Now carbonyl compounds is treated with phenyl hydrazine to form in acidic medium by the loss of water molecule to form hydrazone. Let us take any aldehyde like acetaldehyde is treated with phenylhydrazine in the presence of acidic medium by the loss of water molecule. In phenylhydrazine in hydrogen and carbonyl compounds in oxygen to form water molecule. The product is C double bond N NH and C6H5 and also hydrogen. The product name is depending on the reactant. The reactant is acetaldehyde. Now the product is acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. Another example, we take ketone formation. The compound name is acetone. Now acetone is treated with phenylhydrazine in the presence of water molecule by the loss of acidic medium by the loss of water molecule in form phenylhydrazine. Hydrogen is eliminated and acetone oxygen eliminated in the formation of water molecule to form hydrogen formation. The product name is acetone phenylhydrazone.